Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss an interesting geometry problem and going to learn an interesting concept related to it. So here we have been given a ABCD convex quadrilateral. So this is the quadrilateral in which the important piece of information in this question is that the diagonals are perpendicular. So this quadrilateral is with perpendicular diagonals. Then we have been given AB as 20 centimeter. Then BC is 70 centimeter. CD is 90 centimeter. We need to find the length of AD. So this we have mentioned as X. So we need to find this length. So let's begin with the solution of this problem. Now this problem is very easy if you know the concept related to this given piece of information, that is perpendicular diagonals. So let's begin with the solution. Here we can clearly see that AC diagonal is perpendicular to the diagonal BD. So the information from this which I am going to tell you is that the quadrilateral ABCD is orthodiagonal. Quadrilateral. Okay, so this is what is orthodiagonal quadrilateral? A quadrilateral whose diagonals are perpendicular, and the property related to this, which is the property related to this, which says that if the diagonals are perpendicular in a quadrilateral, then sum of the squares of the opposite sides is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two opposite sides. So here we have the sum of the square of the opposite side, that is AB. If we take AB, then the opposite side to it is CD. So sum of that also we have to do DC square. So sum of the squares of the opposite side is equals to the sum of the square of the remaining two opposite side. That is, here it will be BC square plus AD square. So this is the property you have to remember for orthodiagonal quadrilateral. So this will be very easy to solve if you remember this property. Otherwise, you can use Pythagoras theorem and that with the help of that also you can calculate the answer. So here we have AB. Let's substitute the value, that is 20 centimeter. So it will be 20 square plus DC, that is 90. So it will be 90 square is equals to BC, that is 70. So it will be 70 square, and plus AD, that is what we need to find is X square. It will be 400 plus 1, the square of 90 is 8100, that is equals to the square of 70, that will be 4900, that is 4900 plus X square. Let's simplify this, a simple calculation this. So it will be 8500 minus 4900, that is equals to X square. So this comes out to be 3600, and again a perfect square. So this is equals to the value of X comes out to be 6 zeros, the square of 60, and the value is in centimeter, so it will be 60 centimeter. That's the answer to this question. The important property I hope you have understood, which we have to remember for orthodiagonal quadrilateral, especially for orthodiagonal quadrilateral test, that is the sum of the squares of opposite sides that will be equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two opposite sides. So this opposite side, sum of the square of these two sides is equals to sum of the square of this side. I hope you have understood the concept. For more such interesting concepts and problem based on it, please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.